Cooking up that crappie mix that I caught. Yeah, buddy. All right, YouTube, coming at you with another at you. So, picked up this here John boat a couple months ago. I put it on the lake just to see, you know, make sure it's watertight. I think it's got a small leak up front, but I'm probably gonna pound that out and get a patch put over it. Anywho, long story short, I got all my junk in here right now. I'm over here. I just put the motor, I've been so busy this summer, have not even been able to check out this motor. So I'm just dicking with it right now. Definitely gonna need some work, definitely gonna need some love. I got so much damn time once we slow down. I might take this thing apart completely, piece by piece, clean it all up, degrease it, all that good stuff. Paint what needs to be painted, put it back together, and fire her up, change a spark plug on it. I don't think it takes oil. I have to double check, but yeah, so this thing's just short of 12 foot. Don't ask me why, I don't know. It's a Sears, so this is a 70s or 80s or something like that deal, but it came with a trailer. I got a good deal on it. I got the trailer, John boat, motor, old school, needs some love. I think if I went to school for airframes and pounding on aluminum, I can get this thing together and maybe have it together by this fall and be out there in the coves trying to get me some catfish. But just an overview, not a real review yet. Cleaned her out, but she's been in here in the garage or the carport getting all types of shit in her. And we got flies everywhere right now. I don't know what their deal is, but they're just everywhere. About to lose my damn mind. Bugs are just everywhere right now, so yeah, so I'm definitely gonna need to replace this. What is this called? The Transin, whatever. I don't know. I'm not a boat dude, but probably will be after this. So chop this video up, put it in there, make it look good, throw it out there. Everybody can go wild and hog wild in the comments. But there's some stuff. I gotta fix up this trailer. I'd like to paint Das Boot after I get it all pounded out. Paint this trailer, replace this beat up ass rope right here. But yeah, clean it up, get it fired up, and we'll see how this looks in the next episode. That Ted Williams motor needs some love bad. Peace.